Hello, this is our first tutorial on .NET. In this tutorial, we will learn basic programming and application knowledge. Let's start. Basically, computer applications are divided into two parts. One is standalone and another is web application. Let's understand what are these and what are the difference between these. Standalone applications are those applications which we need to install in our device. That means OS dependent, like MS Office, browsers, those we need to install on our device. Those applications are called standalone application. On the other hand, web application do not need to install in our device. That means OS independent, like YouTube, Facebook. This we can run from our browsers. We do not need to install on our device. Hope the difference between standalone and web applications are cleared. In our next slide, we will learn what .NET is. Thank you.